Hey, you guys. Literally me. Oof. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Welcome back, guys. Are you tired of seeing designer bags yet?
I'm not.
So if you caught some of my last couple of videos, I talked about that these companies have been reaching out to me and wanted me to show some of the merchandise that they have available to you, the consumer. I know that it seems like there's probably going to be a lot of these, but I am being very selective of the companies. And this is another one that is definitely more on the high end of a replica, but I really was interested in this one because I have been burned in the past from the same brand on the gate, and we're going to talk about that a little bit. At the end of this video, I will give you a direct link, also a discount code, and I just want to start off by saying that if you decide that you want to move forward and purchase one of these bags, I do not make any commission off of the coupon code or the direct link or anything. It is strictly just to supply you guys with a little bit of a discount and a place to buy this stuff. So please note that I am not doing these because I am making bukus of money. It is strictly just because of my love of handbags, and I just want to show you what's out there. Again, this is not one of the bargain bag videos. This is definitely on the pricier end, but hey, some of you might want to see these things in real life. Well, like YouTube life. But I am a real normal person, and I'm going to be showing it to you, so there you go. So normally with these things, you know, I have that little separate unboxing video, but today is a little bit different because I actually have the box right here and I have not unboxed it. So I thought it would be fun for us to do that together this time. So first off, I was contacted by the seller. They gave me 3 brands that they were wanting to show on YouTube, and I chose the Dior brand, and they sent me an email with a bunch of pictures and just said, which one of these would you like? I'm actually gonna put that up right here just so you can see that they do have other styles available. You don't necessarily have to go with the style that I went with. But they do have a lot of styles available, and there was a particular reason why I picked this one out. If you remember in like my very first DHgate video, oh my gosh. Now it's like, I know a lot of people are like, what are you doing? Listen, I have been buying off the gate for years before I even made that video. So I knew what I was getting into, and a lot of people were like, oh man, you're just so stupid. No. Look, when bags are cheap, I take a chance, and I just thought it would be fun to show you guys that that chance didn't work out. Now, I actually bought 2 Dior bags, and both of them I was scammed. This is the first one. I picked the DR logo, which is fine, but even my dogs don't agree. I don't even know if you want to call it scammed, but you know, I just didn't make out. Anyway, I did end up donating one of them to the Battered Women's Shelter when I cleaned out my closet one year. And so I don't have that one, but I do have the other tote bag. And sorry, it's full of stuff. I'm keeping my coloring and watercolor sets in it, so I am using it. But if you remember, I ordered what I thought was the Dior tote bag, and I got this really bad tote bag that said Ashton Aor on the handles. Yes, that is right. Instead of saying Christian Dior, it ended up saying Ashton Aor. I can't even show it, but it's definitely, look, Aor. Everyone got a laugh out of it. Everyone thought it was hilarious, including myself, even though I was out like 80 bucks for both of the bags. But again, if you're paying $40 for a bag, it's your luck. If I ever pay $40 for a bag and I get a good one, believe me, you guys are gonna know about it. So when they asked me what brand I wanted to use, I saw that they had the Dior monogram tote bag available, and I was like, oh, I have to get that one. I have to. I would be stupid not to. Let me first say, I did not know that I was going to be getting this beautiful gift box that it came in. I knew that it was coming. They sent me some tracking information, and so I was like kind of keeping an eye out, but this huge cardboard box showed up, and I was like, gosh, that's a huge bag. But when I opened it up, there was this gorgeous Dior gift box inside. So very excited about that. But then I was like, also, oh my gosh, this is not the pattern that I picked out, but it doesn't matter. It's just a box because I opened it up and I was like, oh, okay, but I haven't unwrapped it. So we're going to do that together. Let's take this lid off. Okay, so here, okay. Here is how it looks inside. It does look like you get a little sales memo from the Dior boutique over in wherever. It does look like you get a nice little dust bag with your bag inside. I can tell that's what it is. And I guess right there is a little thumbnail of the bag that I actually picked out. Wow. It also looks like you get a Dior gift bag. And oh God, this is so nice. Look, as much as I like bags, I like gift bags too. This is beautiful. Okay, I am not gonna like really open this up, but you can tell it's just a Dior gift bag. Very gorgeous. I'm very, very happy to have that. Let me take the plastic off of this bag. So I can tell that it's wrapped in plastic in there. So let's go ahead. This is a beautiful Dior dust bag. It's kind of like a cotton linen. It's got the gold emblem on the outside. It is a drawstring. So yes, this is in plastic. Oh, but you know I'm already excited because it actually says Christian Dior on the front. Oh my Lord, this is exciting. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my God. Now that I got the handles out, oh my gosh, guys, this is like this. Oh my God, this is better than I could have even imagined. Wow. This is okay. I'm going to get into it, I promise. No Asian writing on that, so that's pretty cool. So you can see there is a little Christian Dior tag. It's blank on the inside, but there is the back of it. I'm going to take this cardboard out. Just first look, there's inside the bag. It does look... Hey guys, Editing Bunny here. I actually recorded this video and found some more research that you can spot one of these tote bags as a replica if there is no stitching for the logo found on the inside. And as you can see from the photo here, you can definitely see the logo stitching on the inside of the bag. So that is just one thing that makes it more legit. Like there is a little, what is this? It's a little Dior envelope. So there's a little authenticity card. Very, very pretty. It's like silvery, sparkly, and oh, well, okay. This is like a little book, I guess, and it has like all the different languages in it. I don't know, this might be like a little instruction manual, or your Christian Dior leather article is a luxury product that blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, it's not leather, but you know, this is probably just like a general thing that they put in there. But hey, you know, it makes it feel more luxurious and legit to me. Let me push the bottom down. Oh my God, this bag, it's so nice. Wow, okay. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't get over this pattern. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So I don't know why I ended up picking the gray. I know they had the black, which if you remember from the other one was what I picked out, but I don't know why I picked out this gray, but oh my gosh, it is so pretty. If you can see, there's like a blue, like a light blue stitching in the, oh my God, this is so pretty. And I don't know if you can see, but this is all kind of like reliefed. Oh my gosh. This, oh, the structure on this is absolutely gorgeous. Holy moly. Okay, so how can I fit all of this in here? Okay, this is actually called the medium Dior book tote, and I received it in gray Dior oblique embroidery. This bag on the Dior site retails for $3,350 for a tote bag. How freaking gorgeous is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know how else to say, like, this bag is like so pretty. Looks like I'm getting a little shiny there. It's like how excited I am. I'm like sweating. I did do a little bit of research online about this. I only found a couple sites that had some photos of it, and not a lot of people had a lot of inside photos. The only one that I did find was of the tag. But there is the Christian Dior tag, and it does look like the one that I found online. So I do believe that that does check out. And I just looked. On the underneath of the tag is where they put the serial number. I know it's kind of like hard to see, but there is a serial number underneath there. So that is completely legit. Yeah, and oh my gosh, this is just, it's so pretty. It's got like a relief stitching all the way around that kind of lets this front part kind of like set in. Here it is from the side. The back is plain. Here's the bottom. I have to flip this out. This has obviously been sitting in shipped, so it is a little bit flat at the moment, but it is super sturdy. It's a nice bag. I looked up the size of the medium tote bag. I have my little tape measure here, so we are going to measure it. It says on the website that the original medium tote bag is 14 inches across, 11 inches high, and 5.5 inches thick. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it is definitely 14 inches from side to side. It is for sure 11 inches to a T to the top. I know it's gonna be difficult for you guys to see, but it is 5.5. So if we want to recap, the sizing is correct, the stitching color is correct and gorgeous, the inside tag is correct with the serial number on the back, and guys, this is just, it's a gorgeous bag. This tote bag is absolutely stunning. Now, how do you get this bag? Everyone wants to know. I'm going to leave a direct link to this bag if you want to learn more about it in my snip feed link below. This bag does retail for $359. I do have a discount code for you. If you use the code BUNNY, it does save you 10%. And like the last bag, 10% on a $300 bag is something. You're welcome. Again, I don't make anything off of that code. It is strictly for you guys to save some money if you are interested in this. And just like the last video, I think that this is a killer gift for yourself, birthday, anniversary, promotion at work, anything. I mean, this is absolutely stunning. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. Also, if you could comment below on what you would use a tote bag like this for. Are you using it to travel? Are you using it to carry your books in? Are you using it as an everyday bag? Like, I'm curious. I would like to know, a tote bag of this size and quality, what are you going to use it for? And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.